Hello guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this quick video, I will show you how you can change default WhatsApp from business to personal in your Android phone. So many times when we are opening links of WhatsApp like group links or chat links, what happens is when you click on that link, by default your WhatsApp business opens and you immediately join community or group without knowing that whether it was your personal WhatsApp or business WhatsApp. So to change it and change it to WhatsApp personal, you need to open settings on your phone, then go to apps, then go to manage apps and click on these three dots on the upper right corner and choose default apps. So for opening such WhatsApp links like personal chat links or group chat links, you have to click on opening links and then you have to search for WhatsApp business and then you have to choose this option called open supported links and you have to change it to don't open option, don't open it. So all these supported links won't open in WhatsApp business, and from now onwards when you click on any group chat links, your default WhatsApp will be your WhatsApp personal. So that's it for this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.